Morning, folks. Let me get right into it. It is Tuesday, 9:53. Let me get right in today to today's severe weather talk. Looks like it's still coming, folks. This is the SPC categorical. Can't say that word. Sorry. As you can see, the moderate risk still remains for Arkansas. The slight risk has been extended north into Illinois. To be honest with you, the next update comes at 11, I believe, and who knows if I'll have this video uploaded by then. But the next update could go up a little bit further. I'm guessing it's going to go a little bit higher up, this light, but they have this right. This, to me, in my eyes, this is dead on right. What I'm seeing, tornado threat. Let's go to the tornado threat. Wow. Start praying for Arkansas, folks, and I'll show you why here in a minute. We got some problems brewing down there. 15% hatched is not good. You see a 5%, that's a pretty good chance. You see a 10, that's a really good chance. You see a 15% hatched area, that spells bad. So start your prayers for Arkansas, really. But up here in Indiana, 2% is it's a pretty decent shot. It's not a great shot, but it's a decent shot. And I'm guessing this is more of a squall line threat that they're thinking with this 2%. Unless we get some sunshine, then the supercells will fire ahead of the line, which I don't see sunshine quite yet. The clouds may break, but I'll show you the visible satellite here in a second. Let's go to the wind. As you can see, wow, look at the wind. 45% hatch chance of very damaging wind. Look at the hatched area down here, what it says. 10% chance or greater probability of wind gusts 65 knots or greater within 25 miles of a point, which means in here, 25 miles of any given point of this 45% hatched area has a shot at winds over 80 miles an hour, 70 to 80 miles an hour. So that's pretty dangerous. Hail, not a big concern today. But there will be hail. So let's go right to the visible satellite. As you can see, here's our front back here, it looks like to me anyway. We still got quite a bit of cloud cover. Now watch this area I'm going to watch this area right here as the day goes along to see if we get any clearing in here. If we get clearing, that will be trouble. Because that will actually, if we get some clearing right through here, especially right through here, we could get some initiation out front. But I'm on the fence with that. The main game is still going to be the squall line. I don't know what happened to that. Just updated. The satellite did. All right, let's go to wind shear. Bulk effective wind shear. This is crazy. What this is shear. Shear is winds turning with height. The higher you go, it's kind of like just a mass influx of winds going crazy at height. The more they turn, the more rotational these can become, and more mixing down to the surface these winds can become. Anything over 20 is pretty impressive. We're talking 60 already in Oklahoma, so you can see why I'm worried about Arkansas. But you look at these bulk shears starting to move up this way. They will start encompassing this area shortly, later on today. So that's one thing I look at. I'm going through this fast today because I want to make this really short. Okay, this right here, what you're about to see here, is pretty incredible. Relative felicities. This is a tornadic threat I look at, and they are off the chart, folks. Down here, look at Arkansas. Anything above 100. This is surface to kilometer. If I believe right. Yeah. Anything above 100 is incredible. Look down here toward Arkansas. 450. This is a pure tornadic element. Storm relative felicity. I will explain all this once spring comes around. But I'm just trying to show you real quick what kind of let's look at EHI, Enhanced Helicity Index. Anything over 1. Anything over 1 is tornadic. Anything over 2 or 3 has been associated with strong tornadoes, EF2s, EF3s. Look down here. I don't have this sector highlighted, but that looks like a 3 right there, and boom, moving right into Arkansas. So you can see why I'm very worried about Arkansas today. As for right now, EHIs are pretty low, non-existent right here, and there goes another update. Let's see, what do I want to show? Oh, significant tornado. Let's do the significant tornado chances fixed layer. Again, you see a red lining like that, we got problems, folks. Arkansas, yet again. So you can see why I'm starting to think this is more of a squall line. Now, I want to say there is going to be a tornado threat in this squall line. Do not let your guard down. It's going to be mainly a severe wind event, but there is going to be a tornadic threat in this whole area tonight. Especially, I think the tornado threat's going to come up a little bit further. I can't remember what the. I wouldn't be shocked to see the 5% moved up a little bit further northeast with this system. So that's basically what I want to show you right now. I'm trying to think if there's anything. CAPE is something we look at in the spring. CAPE's not going to be a big player today. CAPE is called convective available potential energy. Anything but above 250 is enough to ignite storms. As you can see, this blue shading would be SIN, which is convective inhibition. This is what allows. This is kind of like what we call a cap. This doesn't let stuff fire, but with the jet, the low-level jet we have above, this is canceled out today in my eyes. It doesn't really matter. These storms are going to fire, but look down here. See where there's no blue shading in this CAPE is starting to elevate. I wish I would have highlighted this area down here. I'm guessing that's probably 1,000 CAPE right down there. That's plenty. And again, it's moving right toward Arkansas. Arkansas is really the place we need to be praying for today, although we are in trouble too, but not as deep as trouble as I think Arkansas is in. So with that, I'm going to end this. I will have updates later on today. Let me go back to this map real quick and show you something. I think a severe thunderstorm watch, possibly a tornado watch, will go up right around this area. Probably late afternoon hour, and it will expand eastwards. This line. Why is this thing doing this? I apologize for my computer constantly updating, but it will expand eastward as the day goes on. So keep tuned, stay alert, and get ready, folks, because it is without a doubt coming in my eyes. Take care. I'll see you later on.